Hello, hello, my fellow weirdos. Ashley here once again to talk to you about Console, if I can get them angled just right. So as you can tell, just like all the other ones, Console comes in the little 5mm dripper. It also comes in the 10mm touch. The touch basically just means that it is pre-diluted with fractionated coconut oil. That way, if you have any skin sensitivity, it's less likely to have a burning sensation. FCO also helps the oils sink into your skin deeper so that it stays around and the aroma stays on your skin a little longer. Whereas if you do it, the straight, it stays on there but not that long. So the FCO helps it to maintain that scent a little longer. So our words for Console, which is right here on the little wheel. Yes, we only have one more to go after this. So the words for Console are fearful, worried, hurt, grieving, sad, and ashamed. So this one is very recent to me because at the end of February, my mom lost her battle to cancer. She passed away. And then 2 weeks later, the whole world just shut down and we were all just sort of isolated in our homes. So it was I was in this mode of grieving for my mom passing away and being cut off from the world, cut off from my friends, some of my family. And there was a lot of pain, a lot of grief, just a lot of that going on. So a lot of days I actually found myself turning to Console a lot. I would put it on my lava beads. I would put it on, I would make a Y shape around my ears, put it on my palms so I could smell it, diffuse it, whatever room I was in. All of that just to help me be able to calm down and be able to just process what's happening, process my emotions, and just get through it more healthily. So I really love Console because it has really helped me through those difficult times. I am doing a lot better now. I have reached the acceptance stage. I have accepted what has happened. I've accepted that this emotional roller coaster is probably going to be a part of my life. It will probably hit me again later on down the road. And it might not. I don't know. I have accepted either way. Because that's just grieving in a nutshell. So a lot of times when we think of grief, we think of a loved one passing away, which is a huge part of it. That is a huge part of grief. But you can also grieve many other things. You can grieve, losing a job, getting furloughed, the loss, friends breaking, losing your friends because they just don't want to be your friend anymore, or, a bad breakup. Any of those things you can go through the grieving process for. So I really love Console and Forgive, which we talked about last week, because both of them have really helped me get through that, to be able to basically come to terms with what I'm feeling and be able to process it a lot better than just sitting there stewing and going, So that is why I love these two quite a lot through this roller coaster of 2020. So that's all I have to say about Console. Join me next week as we talk about the next oil, which is Peace. And I have a Facebook and Twitter, so make sure you guys are following me on there, because I post a lot of really good quotes on what's going on, the emotions and stuff. I also talk about other things than what I'm doing on here, so it's really good. But that is it. I'll see you guys next week. In the meantime, keep being your awesomely weird selves. Bye!